Stop waiting for a sign. Stop waiting for the right time. The right time was 5 years ago. The second best time is right now, in this very second, as you hear my voice. Most people will watch this and go back to their comfort zones. They'll complain about the economy, their boss, and their bank account while they keep doing the exact same things that kept them broke yesterday. But you're here because you're tired of being average. You're here because you've realized that safe is the new dangerous. In the next 20 minutes, I'm not just going to motivate you. I'm going to rewire how you think about money, time, and your own worth. If you can't finish this speech, you won't finish the work required to be a millionaire. Stay with me. Money isn't just paper. Money is stored time. Every time you spend $1, you are spending a piece of your life you can never get back. Why are you selling your life so cheaply? You work 40 hours a week to make someone else's dream come true. You're trading your limited time on this earth for a paycheck that barely covers your survival. Being broke is often a series of choices. I know that's hard to hear, but until you accept that your current situation is your responsibility, you will never have the power to change it. Wealth doesn't go to the good people or the hard workers who work like robots. Wealth goes to those who solve big problems. If you want $1 million, you must find a way to help 1 million people. You don't get rich by saving your way there. You get rich by investing in your greatest asset, your mind. The rich don't work for money, they make money work for them. While you're sleeping, your money should be awake, working, and multiplying. But before your money can work, you have to work. You need to develop a high-value skill. Stop watching entertainment and start watching execution. The difference between where you are and where you want to be is called discipline. It's doing the work when you feel like crying. It's staying focused when everyone else is partying. This year isn't just another year. It's the year the gap between the haves and have-nots becomes a canyon. Which side are you jumping to? Most people fail because they're afraid of what others think. They buy things they don't need with money they don't have to impress people they don't even like. Delete the noise. The top 1% are lonely for a reason. They are busy building. They are busy failing. Yes, failing. If you aren't failing, you aren't trying anything new. Every no is just a stepping stone to a yes that will change your family's bloodline forever. Imagine it's 5 years from now. You're sitting in the house you once dreamed of. You're driving the car you once had as a wallpaper on your phone. You look back at this moment right now and you say, "That was the day I decided to never be poor again." The speech is ending. The dopamine hit is over. Now comes the hard part, reality. What are you going to do in the next 60 minutes to prove to the universe that you heard this message? Will you research that business? Will you read that book? Or will you just scroll to the next video? Don't just listen to this. Subscribe to a new version of yourself. Your future self is begging you to start today. Don't let them down.